Bundles are individual items of data that flow through your make scenarios. They usually represent a single record, like one row from a Google Sheet, one contact in HubSpot, or one order in Shopify. Here I have a spreadsheet set up with 5 people that I want to invite to an event. And in Make, I'm using a search rows action to pull in that data. Let's take a look at what happens when I run this. So we can see here our Google Sheet in the output section has returned 5 bundles, one for each row in the spreadsheet, and each bundle is an individual item of data. Now here's what's important to understand. When these 5 bundles move to the next module in our make scenario, it's going to run 5 times, once for each bundle. And our Gmail module is already set up to send an individual invite to each person in that Google Sheet. You can see I've mapped the email address and the first name that we're pulling in from Google Sheets. Now watch what happens when I run this. And we can see our email module is now triggered 5 times, once for each bundle, once for each row in the spreadsheet. If we open this up, we can see here 5 operations. Each operation matches one bundle from the previous module. So operation 1, this was the first row in our Google Sheet. Operation 2 was done for the second row in our Google Sheet, and so on. The number of bundles that you have running through your make scenarios always depend on what any given module returns. So to recap, bundles are individual items of data that flow through your scenario, and whenever you have a module that creates more than one bundle, any module you put after it will run once for each bundle. Understanding bundles is key to building powerful automations in Make.